Ready to upgrade your selfie game? The perfect Arch Pic is all about celebrating your curves and feeling empowered. For a classic look, lie on your back with your knees bent and toes pointed. Then, press your shoulders down and lift your chest high to create that gorgeous silhouette. Want something more dramatic? Try a face-down pose on a firm surface, pushing your hips up while keeping your chest and knees grounded. If you have a chair handy, prop one knee up and stretch the other leg long for an elegant standing arch. For a sultry vibe, kneel on the floor and arch back gracefully, using your hands for support or lifting them high to elongate your torso. You can even use a wall, either press your back against it or face it with your hands high to accentuate your profile. To really level up, tidy your space. Find some soft, natural lighting, and set your phone to record a video while you move. This lets you capture every subtle shift and screenshot the exact moment you look and feel your absolute best. No matter the pose, keep your shoulders back, your chin up, and most importantly, have fun with it.